Alright guys, today I got a really easy one. Well, actually this is not such an easy one. This is a card sleight or technique utilizing the Hindu shuffle. It actually works well with the Hindu shuffle card control that I've already posted on the channel, but this one's a card force. So in this case we want to force the 3 of hearts, for instance, okay? So we have that on top of the pack. Alright, so for the Hindu force, you do the same sort of technique as you do as the card control. So you begin the Hindu shuffle and you start doing this, and then you ask the spectator to tell you stop. They say stop, you say, well, here, or you want me to do another one more, or stop here. They say stop here, you say, okay, well, here's your card, the 3 of hearts. Alright? And then, as in the card control that I taught in the other video, you then complete the shuffle and finish shuffling off the cards. And there you go. And you bring that force card right back to the top. So this is how it works. You say, okay, tell me stop anywhere as you begin the shuffle. They say here, you say, you want me to stop here, or do you want me to pull another one off, or what? They say, yeah, go ahead, pull another one off. You say, okay, here, so you want me to stop? They say, yeah. You say, okay, well, right here is your 3 of hearts. And then you just finish the shuffle and shuffle off the rest and bring that 3 of hearts directly to the top. In concession, doing both of these, I call it the warmonger. But you have the card you want to force on top. You then begin the Hindu shuffle. And when you do this on this first move, when you come down to grab that first pack off, what you're doing with your thumb and fingers is you're grabbing the top couple of cards from here. So you come here, you grab the top few cards, and then you shuffle, maintaining control of those few cards that you see there. And when they say stop, you say here, you want me to stop here, or you want me to take another one? And if they say stop here, you drop those few cards onto the top of the pile and you say, okay, well, this is where you stop me at, the 3 of hearts. And then you just complete the shuffle by coming back, grabbing those few cards again, complete the shuffle, and when you get down to the last bit of the pack, you simply, as soon as you pull off all the cards above that break, right here, you throw that on top, and there's the 3 of hearts. So again, you come down, you start by grabbing a few cards under the cover of your hands and cards here. You begin the shuffle, you say, tell me to stop anywhere. They say here, you say, are you sure you don't want me to pull off another pack? They say, yeah. You drop that pack that was in your hand under the break. You say, this is where you stop me at, the 3 of hearts. And there you go. And then you just finish by picking them back up and shuffling the rest of the pack off. And it looks like they've chosen a card, and that card's hopelessly lost in the pack. All in one motion, you have forced the card and controlled it right back to the top. The warmonger is what I call it. Pretty good one. Great control for stand-up street magic. The Hindu card force, card control. You simply have the card you want to force on the top, and you begin the Hindu shuffle. They stop you here, you say, oh, here? Okay, well, here's your card. And then you just finish the shuffle off, and it looks like they've selected a card and it's lost in the deck, but the whole time you've maintained it on the top of the pack. That is the Hindu shuffle card force and top card control. And holding them, you definitely don't want to do it sideways. You know, you want to stay low, out of everybody's sight. You want to have your fingers guarding most of it on this side. You know, your thumb kind of guarding everything on that side. So that